YouTube viewers and subscribers. Today I have something special for you. It's sponsored by GearBest and it's a giveaway. So let me say a few words about GearBest first. They have a huge promotion sale called Double 11, and that promotion sale, I'll give you the quick tour. It's really the biggest shopping festival of the year on the GearBest. So if you are ready to hunt the most epic products, November features the world's biggest online shopping events with countless promotional events held. Get ready to treat yourself the best products at the lowest prices. From November the 5th up to November the 14th, save a fortune, participate in our games, score more discounts including the site-wide coupons, open huge value lucky bags, and catch out their coupon rain worth over $1 million in total and much more. So starting from now, starting from November the 5th, their monster preheat period starts with great discounts and promotions. So what is this giveaway about? Well, this giveaway is about giving this drone. This is sponsored by GearBest, as I mentioned before, so you won't receive this drone. I made a video review, you can check it on my channel, it's the last video before this one. And GearBest will send the lucky winner this drone, brand new one. I'm saying not this one I was reviewing, but you will get a brand new drone with two HD cameras, one in the front, one in the bottom. It can be controlled via a remote controller or via your smartphone. It's great selfie drone, has a follow mode, so don't wait. What you have to do is to click the link in the video description for that big promotional sale. And when you click it, write down in the comments what is your favorite product. And finally, share this giveaway video to your Facebook page, Twitter, Instagram, wherever you want. So share it on forums, groups, wherever you want. I'll give you 7 days for your comments, and after 7 days I will choose the lucky winner. Please be sure that your account on YouTube has an email address. If you don't have an email address, please write your email address in your comments so I can contact the lucky winner. Okay, so thanks for now and see you in 7 days with a lucky winner of this drone. Bye!